It's 5:30. Me and Keita finna go to the grocery store. Cause she went before the snow came, but of course the stores was empty. They didn't really have a lot of stuff, so hopefully they didn't restock today and got some more stuff. But we just going in there, pick up a few things. I do have a list of what to get because I don't just be wanting to go in there and pick up a whole bunch of stuff that we don't necessarily need. But we only going to Aldi's and Targets, and that's it. I don't want to go to Walmart and all that other foolishness. So I'm gonna just take y'all with us, you know, a little grocery vlog, little out and about vlog. And plus I want to see how the streets and stuff look too. Our side streets look really good. Like it don't even really look like nothing happened. Plus I don't think we got a lot of snow from the jump. It was more so like a sleety snow mix anyway. But I'm gonna see y'all when we get to we're going to Aldi's first and then Target and then back home. That's it. So I will see y'all.